Dear students, let's discuss question number 32. A student traces the path of a ray of light through a rectangular glass slab for the different values of angle of incidence. He observes all possible precautions at each step of the experiment. At the end of the experiment, on analyzing the measurements, which of the following conclusion is he likely to draw? So if you see here, this is what your angle of incidence, and if the ray is traveling from a rarer, that is air, to a denser medium, that is glass, it will bend towards what? Normal, right? So this is what your R. So you can see here, this is what your I is greater than R, and you always remember that angle of incidence equals to what? Angle of emergence, right? So from this you can easily answer this particular question, that I equals to E, angle of incidence equals to angle of emergence, that is greater than angle of refraction. Now if you want to see here, this is what quite logical, as I said, that this ray is moving from the rarer to denser medium, so it will bend towards the normal, and if it will bend towards the normal, so through mathematics you can say that this is what your this angle is equals to the angle of incidence. So definitely you can see here that I is greater than R, right? But how to prove this one, angle of incidence equals to angle of emergence? So it is again very simple, guys. So let's take, this is R. Through mathematics you can also say that this will be R, right? And this is your angle of emergence. So let's put apply Snell's law here. So if you apply at this point, if you see, this is what your N glass, that is your refractive index of glass, upon NA equals to what? Your sine I upon sine R, right? So this is what your equation 1. So and if you apply it at point B, so this refracted ray for point A will be incident ray for point B, right? So this is your point B. So very simple, understand this. So this will be your, now this R will be your angle of incidence. So this R is your angle of incidence, and your angle of emergence is your basically angle of refraction, so that is sine E here for this point B. And if you see here, the rays going from glass to air, that means denser to rarer medium, so it will move away from the normal, right? And what will be the ratio of this is what it is moving from denser to rarer, so first it will come air, refractive index of air upon refractive index of what? Glass. Now this is what your equation 2, this is what your equation 1. Just multiply this equation 1 and equation 2. So what you will get, Ng upon Na into Na upon Ng equals to sine I upon sine R into sine R upon sine E. Now this is what your cancel out, this is gone, this is no, sorry, this one is not, sorry, this is gone. So sine I by sine E equals to what? 1. That means from here you can easily say that sine I equals to sine E, that is your angle of incidence equals to angle of emergence, right? So I hope it is clear to all of you, and you can understand also what is the logic behind that. Thank you so much.